Okay, our next consonant blend is actually the digraph SH that says sh and the R that says r. So we have sh. Let's do that again. Ready? Sure. Sure. Okay, now let's make a word with that. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Shred. Tap and stretch again. Shred. Say it fast. Shred. Say it fast. Shred. Yes, shred. Like you have shredded cheese on your tacos, right? Here's one you might know. Ready? Let's tap and stretch this. Shrek. Tap and stretch it again. Shrek. Say it fast. Shrek. Say it fast. Shrek. Yeah, Shrek. You know who that is, don't you? Cartoon character. All right, let's practice another new word. Tap and stretch. Shrub. Tap and stretch again. Shrub. Say it fast like a word. Shrub. Say it fast. Shrub. Yes, shrub is a plant or small bush. Let's do one more. Tap and stretch. Shrug. Tap and stretch again. Shrug. Say it fast. Shrug. Say it fast. Shrug. Yeah, to shrug your shoulders like, I don't know. Great job with consonant blend. SHR.